Nothing beats the aroma of freshly ground coffee. If you're a true coffee lover, investing in a high-quality electric coffee grinder is a game changer. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric coffee grinders, each offering unique features to elevate your coffee experience. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Wancle CBG-8000 electric coffee grinder. The Wancle CBG-8000 electric coffee grinder combines precision, versatility, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts. With premium burr grinding, extensive settings, and a focus on convenience, this grinder offers a tailored coffee-making experience. Here's a closer look at its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: premium burr grinding. The metallic flat burr design ensures consistent grind size and uniformity, which is crucial for extracting the full flavor of coffee. This feature sets it apart from blade grinders that often produce uneven results. 28 grind fineness settings. With 28 major grind settings, the CBG-8000 caters to a wide range of brewing methods, from espresso to cold brew and everything in between. Micro adjustments allow for fine-tuning, ensuring the perfect grind for your preferred brewing style. Customizable quantity settings. The grinder offers a 212-cup selection with an auto-stop feature. This makes it easy to grind the exact amount needed, reducing waste and ensuring freshness with every batch. Easy to clean and maintain. The removable upper burr, hopper, and chambers simplify cleaning. The included cleaning brush enhances maintenance, making it easy to keep the grinder in top condition for consistent performance. Compact design. Its compact size is ideal for kitchens with limited space. The lightweight design also ensures it's easy to move and store when not in use. Cons: limited hopper capacity. While compact, the hopper size might not be sufficient for large quantities of coffee beans, requiring frequent refilling for high-volume grinding. The Wancle CBG-8000 electric coffee grinder is a well-rounded device for coffee enthusiasts who value precision and versatility. Its premium burr mechanism, wide range of settings, and focus on convenience make it suitable for a variety of brewing preferences. While it may lack some high-end features like preset modes or larger capacity, its compact design and ease of maintenance ensure it fits seamlessly into most kitchens. For those seeking an affordable and reliable grinder that doesn't compromise on quality, the Wancle CBG-8000 is a strong contender. Coming in at number 4, the Nbrw electric coffee grinder. The Nbrw electric coffee grinder is designed for coffee enthusiasts who value customization, precision, and convenience in their coffee-making experience. With features like 35 grind settings, conical burrs, and a quiet operation, this grinder is positioned as a versatile tool for a variety of brewing methods. Pros: wide range of grind settings. With 35 options, it caters to diverse brewing preferences, from fine espresso grinds to coarse French press grinds. High-quality grinding. Conical burrs ensure consistent particle size, improving the overall coffee flavor and extraction. Quiet performance. The quiet operation enhances user experience, particularly in noise-sensitive environments. Ease of customization. Offers intuitive controls to adjust grind settings, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Versatility with coffee makers. Compatible with multiple coffee-making devices, expanding its utility for various coffee enthusiasts. Cons: size and portability. Depending on its design, the grinder might be bulkier than compact models, making it less portable or suitable for small kitchens. The Nbrw electric coffee grinder is a reliable choice for coffee lovers seeking precision and flexibility. Its 35 grind settings, high-quality conical burrs, and quiet operation make it suitable for both novice and experienced users. Whether you're crafting an espresso or preparing a French press, this grinder offers the tools needed for an excellent cup of coffee. While its features may demand a learning curve and regular maintenance, the overall quality and customization options make it a worthwhile investment for those passionate about coffee. At number 3, we have the Petrus PE3755 electric coffee grinder. The Petrus PE3755 electric coffee grinder stands out with its focus on precision, efficiency, and convenience. Designed with coffee enthusiasts in mind, it combines advanced features like anti-static technology, memory functions, and a wide range of grind settings to provide a superior grinding experience. Here's a detailed analysis of its strengths and weaknesses. Pros: stainless steel conical burrs. The grinder's stainless steel conical burrs are crafted to minimize heat during grinding, preserving the essential oils and coffee beans for a richer flavor profile. 51 precise grind settings. With 51 adjustable grind settings, the grinder caters to various brewing methods, from espresso to French press, ensuring flexibility for all coffee preferences. Clear LCD screen and digital timer. The LCD screen provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the grinder. The precision digital timer, adjustable in 1-second increments, ensures consistent dosing for every grind. Anti-static technology. The innovative plasma generator at the powder outlet reduces static electricity, preventing coffee grounds from clinging and minimizing caking, resulting in cleaner and more efficient use. Automatic memory function. The memory feature recalls the previous grinding time, saving effort for repeat users and enhancing convenience. Compact and easy to clean. With a removable upper burr, hopper, and chamber, and a free cleaning brush included, maintaining the grinder is effortless. The locking system for the hopper adds to the ease of cleaning and refilling. Timer and auto shut-off. The adjustable 60-second timer ensures the grind cycle is completed automatically, while the unit powers off when done, saving energy and enhancing safety. Optimal aroma preservation. By avoiding overheating during the grinding process, the grinder preserves the bean's aroma, ensuring optimal flavor for every brew. Cons. Noisy operation. Like many coffee grinders, the Petrus PE3755 may produce noticeable noise, which could be disruptive in quiet environments. The Petrus PE3755 electric coffee grinder offers a premium grinding experience, combining precision, advanced technology, and ease of use. Features like anti-static technology, a digital timer, and memory functions make it ideal for coffee enthusiasts seeking consistency and flavor preservation. Next up at number 2 is the BioloMix BG706 electric coffee grinder. For coffee enthusiasts who appreciate precision and quality, the BioloMix BG706 electric coffee grinder is a standout option. With its durable conical burrs, customizable grind settings, and user-friendly features, this grinder promises an elevated coffee experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, this grinder is designed to enhance every cup of coffee with consistency and flavor. Pros. Consistent grinding. The conical burrs ensure a consistent grind, enhancing the overall flavor extraction from your beans and providing uniformity across all grind sizes. This is ideal for achieving a precise cup of coffee, whether it's espresso or French press. Versatility with 30 grind settings. The 30 grind settings give users the flexibility to customize their grind based on brewing method, making the grinder suitable for different types of coffee and various machines. User-friendly LCD screen. The LCD screen offers a convenient way to adjust grind times and cups, helping even beginners find the right settings. It allows for easy tracking of adjustments, ensuring you get the correct amount of ground coffee. Easy maintenance. The grinder's easy-to-clean design, including a built-in cleaner and removable parts, reduces the time spent on maintenance and ensures the grinder remains in peak condition for consistent performance. Convenient bean hopper. The locking system on the hopper makes it easy to handle and store beans, and the 300G capacity is sufficient for daily use, ensuring you don't need to refill frequently. Cons. Size and portability. While the BioloMix BG706 is a robust and feature-packed grinder, its larger size may take up more counter space, making it less ideal for those with limited kitchen space or who need a more portable option. The BioloMix BG706 electric coffee grinder is a solid choice for coffee lovers who prioritize consistency, flavor, and ease of use. Its durable conical burrs, multiple grind settings, and convenient LCD screen make it a versatile tool for various brewing methods. Easy maintenance and the locking system hopper add to its convenience, ensuring it remains a functional part of your coffee routine. Finally, at number 1, we have the Starseeker Edge Titanium Electric Coffee Grinder. The Starseeker Edge Titanium Electric Coffee Grinder is a coffee lover's dream, offering precise grinding technology and a unique aesthetic inspired by the majestic Easter Island statues. This high-end grinder promises to meet the demands of various brewing methods while maintaining professional-grade performance. This video is a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Starseeker Edge grinder. Pros: precision grinding with 100 grids. The 100 grids specialized grinding feature ensures the grinder can meet the varied brewing needs of coffee enthusiasts. Whether you're brewing a classic espresso or a French press, the grinder offers excellent consistency and precision. 10 gear settings with unlimited fine-tuning. With 10 adjustable gears, the grinder offers versatility by allowing fine-tuning down to 0.1 increments. This allows users to easily adjust the grind size to suit different coffee brewing methods and achieve their preferred flavor profile. 48 mm 7-core tapered blades. Equipped with 48 mm 7-core taper knife blades, the grinder ensures a smooth and even grind, improving extraction and enhancing the coffee's overall flavor. The design helps deliver consistent results for various types of coffee, from finely ground espresso to coarser grinds for brewing methods like French press. Versatile coffee flavor profiles. The grinder's design caters to multiple flavor levels, making it suitable for those who enjoy experimenting with coffee flavors. It delivers a perfect balance of moderate extraction and allows users to explore different tastes. Aesthetically unique design. The Easter Island-inspired appearance adds a distinct charm to the grinder, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its classic and simple design, it's available in black and white, offering flexibility to match most home decor styles. High-quality materials. The use of titanium in the grinder's construction enhances its durability, resistance to wear, and performance. The quality materials ensure the grinder lasts and delivers professional-grade results with every use. Professional grinding process. Designed to extract coffee optimally, the Starseeker Edge guarantees that you're getting a good bean selection machine. It offers the precision needed to release the soul of brown beans, providing rich, flavorful coffee every time. Cons. Limited hopper capacity. The grinder's hopper capacity isn't mentioned in the details, but based on its design, it could be smaller compared to other grinders on the market, requiring more frequent refills for those who brew large batches of coffee. The Starseeker Edge Titanium Electric Coffee Grinder is an exceptional choice for those seeking a high-end, precise coffee grinder that delivers outstanding flavor profiles. Its unique Easter Island-inspired design, coupled with its 48 mm taper blades, ensures a superior grind for all types of coffee.